I'm Shamla. Welcome to Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about module. There are two ways of module. One is user defined and another one is built-in. Built-in is defined in the Python shell. User defined we ourselves are going to define. In this class, we are going to discuss about the built-in. User defined, we are going to build an module, and also we will see few examples for built-in models. One of the example is math. I'm going to import the module math. Math consists of different functions which is related to math. Therefore, in the math module, they are defining many more functions. I'm importing. Import is a keyword to import the math module. By using this, I can import. And in order to know how many functions available in math, what I'm going to do is I'm using the dir command. Inside that, I'm passing math as an argument. Now, these are all the functions which are available in the math module. I'm going to explain with one example. Which one shall I choose? Okay, I will go with factorial. In order to access the function inside the module, you need to first write the module name, that is math, followed by period, dot, and then call the function. So you are going to get the recommendations, which one you want to choose. I want to go with factorial. Click on that. For some reason it's not coming out, so I'm typing it manually. Factorial. Factorial of how much you want. I want factorial of 3. What is the factorial of 3? 3 into 2 into 1. So how much I should get? 6. So 6 is the output. Like this, you can use any of the functions. I have tried with one function. You can try for all other functions and also try to import many other models which are available in the library. Okay, in this tutorial, our main focus is to create our own library. So in order to do that, here we are importing the math which is already defined, but now I am going to define my own module and I am going to import it. For that, I am creating a module now. Go to file, click on new window. Which module I want to create? I want to create a module. It should do calculation, so I'm going to name it as calculator. Yeah, I'm going to save it in desktop. Give the name as calc. Okay, dot py extension. Save it. So it is very important. What is the module name now? Module name is same as of file name. Now I need to do import calc. Now I can import the module. I need to define some functions inside this module. So I'm defining some function. I'm writing some function. So what calculator usually consists of uh, there's one addition, subtraction, like this, right? So what I will do is I don't want to give any specific number inside, because while executing whatever the number I'm giving, it should execute that. Because of that reason, I'm taking the two arguments as a comma key. Sorry, for some reason my tongue just twisted out. So I'm writing it as a comma b, because I want to execute whatever. While executing this add function, I want to give different parameters. And also we have seen lot of about the function in the last classes, so I'm not going in depth of it. If you want to know more about function, you can go to my previous tutorial and learn about it. So I'm taking a third variable. I'm adding here a comma b and then return. So this is just I think you guys don't need further explanation because it's just an addition function. So I'm too lazy to type it one more time because I'm using, so I will make some changes. I'm just copying it, pasting it. I need 4 function. One is for add, another one is for subtraction, and another one is for multiplication. Last one is for division. So I will do the changes. Here I want subtraction, here multiplication, and here it's division. Here we go. This is a simple program to calculate addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, multiplication, division. So our module is a calc now. It consisted of 4 functions. Let's go ahead and run this. Okay, so I have run that. Also, no need to run. Also, you can save it. If you save also, you will get the output. So in the calc we are having 4 function: add, subtract, multiplication, and division. What you need to do is we have to see how we have imported math here. In the same way, we need to import the module name. What is the module name? As I said before, module name is same as a file name, import calc. Okay, so I have imported. In that I want to add 2 numbers. Calc add. So as it consists of 2 parameters, I am passing 2 parameters, 2, 4. It should give the output as 6. 2 plus 4. In the same way, I can do calc subtraction is UB 4 minus, not minus, 4 comma 2. So it should give 2. In the same way, we can do for addition. There are other 2 functions by MUL, multiplication and division. I think you guys can do that. Please execute those 2 functions. And one more thing what I want to tell you guys is reload. If we make some changes here, I will make some changes. I'm deleting this multiplication here and run the module. Save it. Okay, if you run the module, it means we are restarting the Python shell. If you are not restarting the Python shell and if you are executing the import at the same shell at that time, you need to use one more because I made some changes. In order to replicate that changes in the same Python shell, you need to use one more command called reload. If you are opening a new Python shell, then there is no need of reloading it. You can directly go ahead and import it, import calc, and it will be defined. Like the changes will be available. But if you are executing that in the previous same shell and you have also made the changes at that time, you cannot directly go ahead and use import calc, because once you import it in the single shell, you can import only one time. If you make some changes to the program and if you are running it, you need to make use of reload, because you cannot import twice in the same cell. This is pretty much about how to do reload. Yeah, I will say you guys that also. Just the function name, that's all. Oh, what I missed. So I have reloaded math function. Don't do that. Reload what is that? Reload my function name. What is my function name? Calc. So okay, I have reloaded it. This is pretty much about it. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.